gonna do a day in a life. So yeah, you guys are gonna see what I go through pretty much on a daily basis. Last time I did one, I was underdeveloped. I was only a first year apprentice. Now I'm second year and I'm running my own machine at work, which is awesome. So much more fun and interesting. I didn't really want to continue to do this trade for a while there. I was so bored and yes, uninterested in my job. But now I love it because I run my own machine. So yeah, it's a lot more interesting. You'll see. You'll definitely see. I like to sleep earlier nowadays. I don't know whether it's because I'm getting older. I don't like to think that. I think it's just, I've just realised that sleeping is just so beneficial. I was only getting 5 hours sleep for a while there. I was sleeping at 12 and then waking up at 5 a.m. Oh man, I felt like a zombie every day. So if you guys feel like yous are sad or I don't know, kind of drained throughout the day, it's probably pretty obvious, but I'll try and fix your sleep first. Now I get in bed by about 8:30 and I sleep by about 9:30 max, but some nights I'm asleep by 9, and that's 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 8 hours. Or say if I go to bed 9:30, half an hour is 10. So 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7.5 hours. So much better. Wake up so much better. Yeah, I went to bed 9:30 last night, and I feel. Don't get me wrong. When you first wake up, you still feel tired, and you're like, oh, was that even worth it? You know, I missed out on that extra time at night. But trust me, once you get up and past that initial waking up, I feel like you'll always wake up feeling tired. But it's a different type of tired once you get enough sleep, in my opinion. It's like a less drowsy tired. Because I woke up then and I was still tired, and I could have kept still sleeping, you know, I wanted to still sleep. Maybe my bed's just really, really comfy. I think it is. Or it's oh, it's work, you know, even though I love work nowadays. But yeah, I feel refreshed now, I feel good. And then I yawn. But yeah, nah. Once you get up and start moving and that, feel really good, feel really, really good. So yeah, that's one thing I've really been enjoying, is just sleeping. Sleeping earlier. It's really nice. this. So yeah, on the first break now, ended up getting some crumb sausages, not the healthiest at all, and then got me a Dare iced coffee. My justification is I want to have at least something in my stomach for Jim the Savo, but yeah, definitely not ideal, not healthy. The carbs from the drink will be good, and the coffee, but the caffeine will just be probably gone by then. I don't know, apparently it has like a long shelf life in your body, so I don't know. Just think it's best to have something. Yesterday I trained with nothing and my system felt so weak. Tried to do a 100 kg bench, couldn't. Still trying to break that PB. I'm just gonna wind down, enjoy my food, watch a bit of YouTube on lunch. This is kind of where I just hang out in my own little spot, just to wind down from the work day. But yeah, I get 15 minutes, gonna eat this food, and then yeah, hopefully I can show you some more jobs, because right now I'm doing those long tie rods, as you can see, with the long as drill. If I have a chance to set up another job, which I think I will, I have 3 or 4 more tie rods. I thought I was only gonna do 10, but then the boss just said keep going, so I've got 3 more of those to do, and then yeah, I'll move on. So I'll show you guys the setup process, and yeah, go from there. Sheesh, finally done. So that's today's work. I've just forgot my keys. Oh man, I gotta go back in there. I was gonna say that's the day done, heading to gym. Still remains true. I'll head back in there, and yeah, I hit the gym straight after work. Change my clothes when I'm there, and yeah, just get into it, and then go home, relax. Used to go straight home, relax, have a nap really bad. Sometimes miss the gym, miss boxing when I used to do it. So yeah, this works out better for me. Just get straight back into gym, or straight into gym after work. So yep, I'll probably see you guys at the gym. All right, we are at the gym. So yeah, today I am hitting legs, squats. So squats is the main thing. So yeah, fingers crossed, see what happens. Just got home and my battery is on 4% because I only took 1 battery today. But yeah, just got home from gym, hit a PB, which was sick. I'm gonna get ready. Just filling up Luna's water. Gonna get ready for pickleball. Gonna have a shower, and then yeah.
You need one of those things, the magnet.
Oh man, I just got home now. It is 9:15. I got some GYG chicken burrito bowl. Add extra chicken. Yes, sirski. Oh my, so good, bro. So tasty. But yeah, I'm just gonna eat this, brush my teeth, and I'll be in bed. Have a shower. Yeah, it is, yeah, at 9:15. The whole day I've been telling yous. The whole day I've been saying I'm sleeping earlier and sleep this and that. It just got out of hand. I just got carried away. I was having too much fun. So yeah, gonna be late. By the time I finish everything, it's gonna be 10. Even if I sleep by 11, it's still 6.5, but not ideal. So yeah, a bit of a crazy day. Well, probably not like the perfect day, but this is how my day just played out. Just went along. But anyway. Hey. Hello. Hello, little cutie. Hello, you little bloody cutie doggy. Well, that's my day done. That's it, over. Work, gym, pickleball. Watch a bit of YouTube just to wind down. It is 9:36. Alright. And yeah, just go from there. Rinse and repeat. Do the same thing tomorrow besides the pickleball. Pickleballs are Thursdays and Tuesdays, so yeah, it's not every day. I think I need to start coming home earlier to get back into sleep schedule. I had a good routine going there. I still do, but I've got things on tomorrow night and then Thursday as well. So this whole week's gonna be sleep schedule ruined. Even though the whole video I've kind of been preaching about sleeping better, but trust me, try it. Fix your sleep schedule. Trust me, you will be shocked how good you feel. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Laters.